Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Asbury Lake local and long distance movers near me. When relocating within and outside Asbury Lake, choosing a local company that is familiar with all the routes makes the difference. We possess the expertise, experience, and skill at 3 Movers and are the perfect choice for your stress-free relocation. By hiring us to handle your moving process, you get timely execution, constant communication, efficient packing and unpacking services, customized moving plans, and local expertise. Also, Asbury Lake possesses vibrant spots as well as cultural gems such as Paramount Theater, Asbury Lanes, and Parlor Gallery that are worth exploring. A significant concern that plagues a long-distance move is the security and safety of household items. At 3 Movers, we understand that by moving, we are dealing not only with belongings but also with lives. We ensure that all possessions are kept secure during long-distance moves. We also offer liability coverages to provide peace of mind as well as compensation in case of unforeseen circumstances. We perfectly understand the complexities of moving belongings out of the city, and our penchant for keeping things secure, offering detailed solutions, and our competitive pricing make us an ideal choice for your hassle-free and seamless move. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Asbury Lake moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.